Wouldn't you know, the time has come, and look, we're back at the lake again. It's finally the time of year for me to get the kayak out and do our voyage at places that we have never been, lands that we have never explored. Let's be honest though, this hill is going to kill me dragging the kayak up. What a beautiful piece of property. Beautiful in the valley. The one good thing about this property is it's in a valley, this lake. And today it's supposed to be very windy, very stormy, you know? And I don't want to be out on the big lakes with the wind and the waves crashing over my boat. So this one is protected. I want to explore it and see if I can find some hunting land as well. My launch window is going to be very small. With a little bit of magic, I got her in. Ooh, this water is cold, baby. And my feet only got a little wet. Ah, yes. We are free, alas. Welcome to JLC Voyages. Today, we're deep in the forest. Journey with me as I change up the way I do my voyages. Wouldn't you know? Two casts in and we already catch a fish. Very cold fish. This is a beautiful lake. But in the summertime, you cannot fish this lake. It is impossible to fish this lake because the growth on top right now is pure. So it's untouched. Let's go. It would seem that I got another little rascal. Man, he's too small for me to do anything in a pan. He would actually be good bait. There's something large in those woods moving. And it is still coyote season. I could kill a coyote today and take it home. So I'm going to head that way slowly. And we're going to see if we can find what's making all the noise. Time to explore the land. Definitely got Coyote Scott here. There's something moving. Let us go have a look. seems that I have found something. Yes. Oh, check out this field. This would be perfect for hunting deer. There's another lake, and it's tucked deep into the woods. I don't know if there's any way to it. He's the one making all the noise today. I mean you no harm, my friend. You're trying to get to the water, I'm sure. You must take care of my little friend and get him to the water. I know that's where he is trying to go. This is the little guy that I kept hearing walking in the woods making all the noise. Ooh, he wants to bite me. That is where you wanted to go. We did something good today. Yes. Perfect day. Okay. So I explored this part. I fished this part. I didn't see much out here. There's a bass. There's bass out here. But I don't think they're hungry right now, man. So, what we're going to do is take the kayak back into the water, man. And we're going over there to look for some more fish. But I'm gonna show you all that. Let's go. Cause this is just so much fun. Let me tell you, this is so much fun. Make sure you have some type of shoes that are okay in the water. And the water is very cold. Oh. Okay, here we go. Hey, hey, a successful lunch, a successful lunch. Well, that's not exactly what I'm looking for, but we got some fish. We have food. So I must be thankful and thank the Lord Jesus for the food. Now, time to cook. I said time to cook. I forgot. I have to climb up this massive hill right here. And who put the mattress right there, man? Who's laying in here? I guess it is a beautiful scenery, but golly, this is going to kill me. Very hot. This kayak, that was a workout, man. There's something you must know about the Subaru now. This baby is paid off. What a good feeling it is. We're also going in with a handful of walnuts, man. Walnuts are so good. Smash them up a little bit. They're still alive. It's okay. Literally. Got the smallest fillets ever. I might as well be eating all yellow pepper and onion. Next time, I'm not keeping the little fish to fillet up. No, 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 no. Tasty. The Kayak, from now on, shall henceforth be known as bubblegum. Peace out, my people.